Goal-oriented professional targeting assignments as principal with an organization of repute in education industry. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Manisha Karekar, Principal, Muljibhai Mehta International School. Ms. Manisha is an academician with over 20 years of rich and extensive experience in CBSE and State Board. She has expertise in encouraging learning among teachers. Ms. Manisha set educational standards and goals, developing educational standards and goals, developing educational quality management system, establishing policies and procedures to carry them out. Experience in virtual education system. Experienced in school affiliation process of CBSE. Ms. Manisha plays many important role, patron and chairperson of Thain Palgar Sahadaya School Complex, Manog Ing Students of Learning Disability, Inclusive Education Center Superintendent for CBSE All India Secondary Senior School Certificate Examination and many other important roles. She has been conferred with many awards, Ideal Principal Award 2014 by Students Development Society, Pune. National Ideal Principal Award 2017 by Students Development Society, Aurangabad, Award of Appreciation by Science Olympiad Foundation.